Hello everybody, it is me, the classyfennyT, and what you're looking at is the first ever thing I have made with a 3D printing pen. I am happy to be able to show this to you. Pretty much 3 months after I got the pen, it's finally spring, and we had to clean off the table recently. After we had finished cleaning off the table, I decided to go get the pen out because I realized, oh, this is something I'm wanting to try. I should probably try it right now while we have the table cleaned. What this is supposed to be is a Pokeball, which, as you can tell, didn't turn out well. That's why there's the big blob in it. It's supposed to be in the center, and it's supposed to be a Pokeball. The thing is actually fun to use, and it's kind of a fun thing to try and learn. This is made of PLA plastic, and the pen I was using was this cheap pen that I got for Christmas, which is just it's that Kohl's Smart Gear brand thing. But yeah, that's all. If you guys want to see more of this kind of videos on me do more of these, please let me know, and thank y'all for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye for now, peace. Oh wait, one more thing. Also, why this thing on the screen is just a picture and I'm not like doing like, you know, a 360 kind of view of it, is because it doesn't really need a 360 view because it's all flat. So thank y'all for watching. Bye for now. Peace.